أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Surah Al-Zumar, verses 71 to 75 state that no one will be wronged on the Day of Judgment. A scenario of hell and paradise on the Day of Judgment.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وسيق الذين كفروا إلى جهنم زمرا
Then those who disbelieved in this world shall be driven to hell in groups.
حتى إذا جاءوها فتحت أبوابها وقال لهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم رسل منكم يتلون عليكم آيات ربكم وينذرونكم لقاء يومكم هذا.
Until, when they reach there, its gates shall be opened, and its keepers shall say to them, Did messengers not come to you from among yourselves, reciting to you the revealed verses of your Lord, and warning you about the meeting of this day of yours?
قالوا بلى ولكن حقت كلمة العذاب على الكافرين.
They will reply, Yes, they did come to us, but the decree of punishment has been proved true against the disbelievers.
قيل ادخلوا أبواب جهنم خالدين فيها فبئس مثوى المتكبرين.
It shall be said to them, Now enter the gates of hell, wherein you shall reside forever. What an evil abode it is for the arrogant.
وسيق الذين اتقوا ربهم إلى الجنة زمرا
And those who feared their Lord shall be led to paradise in groups.
حتى إذا جاءوها وفتحت أبوابها وقال لهم خزنتها سلام عليكم طبتم فادخلوها خالدين.
Until when they reach there, its gates shall be opened, and its keepers shall say to them, Peace be upon all of you. You have done well, so enter it to dwell therein forever.
وقالوا الحمد لله الذي صدقنا وعده وأورثنا الأرض نتبوأ من الجنة حيث نشاء فنعم أجر العاملين.
They will enter paradise and say, All praise is due to Allah, who has made His promise to us come true, and made us inherit this land, so we may dwell in paradise wherever we wish. How excellent is the reward for those who do righteous deeds.
وترى الملائكة حافين من حول العرش يسبحون بحمد ربهم.
And you will see the angels surrounding the throne of Allah, glorifying and praising their Lord.
وقضي بينهم بالحق وقيل الحمد لله رب العالمين.
And judgment will be passed among them with justice, and it will be said, All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of all the worlds.